Across cars, bikes, and trucks, a new wave of biomimicry-inspired designs blends lightness, strength, and organic aesthetics. Designers recount early sketches, from shell-like chassis to modular interiors, born from studied beetle shells and whale fin principles. Engineers explain how additive manufacturing and advanced composites unlock shapes once deemed impractical for mass production. Interviews with a lead designer and a veteran tester reveal the craft, challenges, and small triumphs behind each breakthrough. The series invites enthusiasts to explore unseen stories behind every curve, seam, and gadget that redefines mobility today.